Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add face data on Motorola Edge 50 Pro in order to unlock your smartphone with face recognition. So in order to do that, first we need to head to the settings, then in the settings scroll down and go to security and privacy, then go to device unlock and then choose face unlock. Now over here you might need to use your pattern, pin or password. Now over here we will find the information about the face recognition feature, and once you read it, we can set up the face recognition by pressing this button in the bottom right corner. And then some more information, so let's press setup, and now we can simply align your face to the camera in order to save your face data. Once you do that, you also have two options where you can skip the lock screen when unlocking with your face, or you can also enable the lift to unlock option. And after that, simply press next, and then it is done. We can press the done button, and we are now using our face in order to unlock the smartphone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.